So hello guys and welcome back to our channel, and we are back with another video on the channel. And today we're going to be talking about a new cryptocurrency that is showing crazy numbers in the past 24 hours and in the past week. So we're going to be taking a look at what's going on with that cryptocurrency, why it's seeing huge great numbers. So we're going to be going over and taking a look at everything that's happening. We're going to take a quick look at the charts also, and we're just going to talk overall about the cryptocurrency, what has happened. So without wasting any more time, let's get right into the video. And before we do that, do make sure you click the thumbs up button and drop a comment down below on what type of videos we should create, and subscribe to our channel for more upcoming videos like this. So without wasting any more time, let's get right into the video and let's head over to our screen. So we are on our screen, and as you can see, we are on coinmarket.com. We are on the home page. We just finished the live stream, talking about the daily live stream as we do on this channel. And if we take a look at the top cryptocurrency, and if we filter by the most moved cryptocurrency in the past 24 hours or even in the past day, we can see WORLDCOIN is on top. WORLDCOIN is seeing huge numbers in the past 7 days. Even in the just yesterday, we are seeing crazy numbers. As you can see, the current price for this is around $6.08, up around 3.99% in the past hour, up around 26.7% in the past 24 hours, and up around 142% in the past 7 days. So that's what we can see. Everything is in the green. Crazy numbers we are seeing in WORLDCOIN. So if we take a look at this, we are on the homepage of this WORLDCOIN cryptocurrency. We can see just in the past day, 26.4%. Crazy numbers we are seeing in the past 24 hours as well. If we take a look at the market cap, we are on 792 million dollars. Crazy numbers, up around 27% in the past 24 hours. If we take a look at the volume, we are at $687 million, up around 45% in the past 24 hours as well. Crazy numbers we are seeing. And if we take a look at what we are seeing throughout the day, what the charts are showing, and we can see that we have been in the green most of the day, and for almost all the day. And if we take a look at where we were at 24 hours ago, we were at around $4.82 just 24 hours ago. And as you can see that we are up, we are moving crazy in the green area for most of the day. Our daily high was around $632. We have come back down from that number, but we are still even in the high areas. So that is also crazy for WORLDCOIN to see. And if we take a look at the 7-day chart, we can see that we are seeing 142%. Crazy big number. 142% is almost 2.5x the investment. So crazy money we are seeing right now. Crazy numbers. We can see just 24 hours, just 7 days ago, we were at $2.50. And we can see that we have seen slow and gradual growth throughout the whole week, and we are still continuing to see huge growth even at the current moment. As you can see, we didn't see a lot of growth in the first beginning of this week, but it was slow and gradual, and we are still seeing the slow and gradual growth. We have been pretty stable in growth. We have come a long way from where we started. We have almost triple X of our investment, almost 4x I think, and we have seen huge gains. Even if we look at the month, we are still in the high numbers. We can see the month wasn't really a big change, but a year, we're not gonna go into massive detail. So in this video, that was about it for this coin, and we're gonna keep you guys updated about what's happening with this coin upcoming next. And until that, see you in the next video. So that was about it for this video, guys. In this video, we did talk about WorldCoin and what WorldCoin is seeing in the past day and the past 7 days. So it's seeing huge and crazy numbers just in the past week, up around 142% the past week, and in the past day it is up around 26%. So crazy numbers it is seeing right now, and possibly even more big numbers coming very soon to this coin. So that was about it for this video, guys. If you are new to this channel, do make sure to check out my daily crypto live streams I do on this channel, talking about any recent crypto changes, any recent price movements that has happened in the past, and what we are seeing in the current market. So I do talk about that on live daily on this channel, so do make sure to tune in. And I also create long form content like this, talk about any new cryptocurrencies, any pattern that a cryptocurrency is seeing, and any recent news. So do make sure to tune in on those videos also. So if you did enjoy this video, please do make sure to click the thumbs up button, drop a comment down below on what type of videos I should create, and also don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more upcoming videos like this. So thank you guys so much for watching, and see you in the next one.